Rice paper, guys. Okay. So, anuhin natin itong pinasa. Mayroon tayong rice wrapper, guys. Ilagay natin dyan. Okay. Lagyan natin ng 2 minutes. Sarap. Check lang natin. Ito na, guys. Luto na. Then, ilagay natin dito sa guys, crunchy. Okay. Crunchy. That's yum. Crunchy, yummy guys. Okay.